Hello guys and welcome to Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. We will make some TA for today, some TA for Bitcoin. Let's check Bitcoin and let's check the situation about Bitcoin for today, the next days, the next week, the next month, the next year, the next live trading. I don't know. Okay, no. Guys, honestly, let's start with Bitcoin. Here's the fear and greed index, and as you can see, Bitcoin is in extreme greed. Here you can see 95 points of extreme greed. 100 is possible, and this is extreme greed, guys. You can see yesterday 93, you can see last week 95, you can see last month 79 points, and as we are going down again a little bit here, you can see here the last year. It's very cool to see. We started last year 2020 with 50 points. Here you can see the Corona dump of March with 9 or 8 points. And look at this, we are here on extreme greed. Everyone is greedy. Everyone would like to see exploding Bitcoin, and that's extreme dangerous now, guys. Extreme dangerous. This is the maximum we can see here of the fear and greed, and this a very nice pattern here, or a very nice how should I say, candlestick. It's not a candlestick, it's a nice chart picture here. So as you can see, the starting 11 points, 8 points, extreme fear here, and here we are now 2021, extreme greedy. All people are greedy. So that's the fear and greed index. Now we are going to the coin market cap, and let's check the coin market cap. Let's check the top coins here. You can see Bitcoin 48,900. You can see in the last 24 hours about 3% in the plus, and on 7 days about 6% in the plus. You can see this is the last 7 days chart, and you can see it's slightly going up here. No big dump here. It's everything working very nice and bullish and going up here for Bitcoin. Ethereum, it's not so good. It's today on 0.74% up, and on the week only 1.5%, and you can see it's a sideways here for Ethereum. Ethereum works not so good for trading momently as Bitcoin. Cardano, a altcoin, as ADA, works good today. 5% up, 28% up in the week, and you can see this is a bullish chart. It was better at the first days of the 7 days chart, but now it's going a little bit sideways here for ADA. Here is Polkadot, and today 10% in plus. In the week 30% in plus, and a nice upgoing chart here for the 7 days. XRP today, it's interesting. XRP is going down 4.4%, and in the week 18% here in plus. You can see it's the last days going down, and the days before it's going nicely up here. So BNB coin, nothing changed for today, but on the week 40%, and this was a really big bump here on the last 7 day here, for about 6 or 7 days here, and now it's going sideways too. Everything is going a little bit sideways momently. Litecoin 2% in plus, 27% on the weekly. Chainlink, a light minus today, and 27% in the weekly. Bitcoin Cash, a light minus about 1.c, 47%, extreme going up here. And XLM, we'll take a look about XLM later on another video. Today 0.4% in the minus, and in the weekly 27% in the plus. Dogecoin today in the minus, and look at the weekly. Dogecoin is going down. The fun coin, I will call it fun coin, or pump and dump coin, or Elon Musk fun coin. I don't know what I should say to Doge, but it's going down very quick here on the weekly chart. So Uni, okay, something important here. Yes, look at Atom, guys. Look at Atom today, 28% in plus on a 7-day chart. Look at this pump here, 82%, exploding. EOS going up very nicely. Bitcoin SV is okay today, a light minus, and it's going up a little bit. Monero XMR is going up 40% in the week. Nice. Tron is going up 18% in the week. Tetsos, okay. And IOTA. IOTA, we will take a look about it later. Here, 70% in the week, 13% on a daily, and I have a long position again on IOTA. I had a warning video out there because there was a big resistance, and now I'm long again on IOTA. We will take a look about it later. So okay guys, that are the top coins for today. We had watched it, and now let's dive into Bitcoin. We will make some interesting stuff for today for Bitcoin. Let's start at the daily chart. Let's turn off all indicators here. Let's turn off the MACD. Let's turn off all here. And we are here in the daily chart of Bitcoin. No, it's not 50-minute, it's the daily chart. So what's happening here? What can we see? We tried last time the 5-wave up theory and the 3-wave down theory. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the highest candle here. Then, because of the 5-wave up, the theory says always a 3-way down. A, B, Z. So what's now? What's now with this theory? Can we move on with this theory? Let's try it. We turn on the drawing panel, we turn on the 5-wave, and we try it. Here's the deepest point, here was the C. Let's start. Here the wave 1. Here the wave 2. And now we have maybe a little bit problem. It's not so easy to see here. And that's the wrong, sorry, that's the ABC. We need the 1, 2, 3. That's the wrong one. Here is the right one. So let's start. 5-wave theory. From 0 to 1, from 1 here to the deepest point to 2, then up to 3, then up to 4, and now I had to say up to 5. But as you can see, we have a problem now with our ABC. How should we draw here ABC? ABC is normally the correction phase here. And you can see this was a correction. Okay, that's worked. But now, what about this, guys? How should we draw this with the ABC? Okay, let's try it. Let's just try it. ABC. We see here maybe this is a deepest point. We see here the B. We see here the C. So you can see it's impossible here. ABC is maybe not working here, or we have an error here on the 5-wave because maybe this is the 5th wave. Maybe it's looking about that. Possible. Maybe this is the 5th wave here. So if this is the 5th wave here, then we have to look about a correction here. It's also possible to go up and up and up from here, and that's the 5th wave, and it's not finished from here. It's possible to see the 5th wave here going like this, and then we would see a correction phase. So for the moment it's hard to say. We have this problem that we can't check it here. What is the 5th wave? Is it here or is it here? So we have to leave that for the moment open. Let it open. That's the ABC, that's the 1 to 5. Okay, everything's okay. Let this theory open. Let's check out the RSI. I showed you yesterday the RSI because of Buche. Buche asked me about the RSI. I showed you that. Now, today, we will check it. For everyone who doesn't know about the RSI, please check my video from yesterday. It's named RSI, yes, Relative Strange Index, and let's check it. You can see it here. The interesting thing is, you see we are still on the daily chart overbought. It's going sideways, the RSI, but we are over the 70s. You see it here, 70. And if we are over 70, it's overbought. If we are under 30, it's underbought. So as we can see it on the daily chart, we are still overbought. So possible to come back here a little bit. What's very nice to see here, we are going down slightly here. We have here the divergence, we are going down, and Bitcoin is going up. So that's a bearish divergence, like this. Just ask Google what's a bearish divergence, but for the chart, that's a bearish sign here that we are going down with the RSI and that we are going up with Bitcoin. So guys, attention, attention, attention. If we are asking the MACD, not necessary. We are here on a wide range here over the MACD. Everything is fine. We can turn on the buy and sell patterns, and you can see the best buy was here. We are, if you are trading long, guys, if you are trading on a daily chart and you're trading long, this was a perfect buy position. Buy here, wait for days, wait for days. You are in a perfect uptrend. You are making perfect profit. You're going in, you're about 30,000. Now we are 50,000. Perfect, guys. You make 20,000 bucks. So if you are trading on the daily chart, use this buy and sell signals for trading because you can make really nice gains here. I have this buy and sell signals on my live stream on Bitcoin Trading Informant. I'm streaming 24 hours, 7 days a week, and you can see this buy and sell indicators there on every time frame, 50 minute, 1 hour, or 4 hour. You can trade it. You can use it for your own opinion, for your own buy, for your own sell, and they should help you for this, or may help you, whatever. So that's the daily chart for Bitcoin. Let's dive in. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. And yes, on the 4-hour chart, we are building a bull flag. What's a bull flag? I will make another video about the bull flag because it's all too long. But I will show you this pattern bull flag if for those guys who don't know what it is. I have videos on my channel about shoulder head shoulder, about triangle and so on, but we never spoke about bull flags, but I will show you, promise. Okay, so we have here, for the first time, we have here the bull flag. We are on the 4-hour chart, okay, and we have here our parallel channel that's upgoing. That's the trend. The trend is our friend. Everything works perfect. You see here the lower low. Here was a low. Here do not touch it, but here it touched it again, and it's going up here. So what can we await here? What can we see? This red line we have here is our resistance line. This is our mainly resistance. This is holding us back to moon here. So we have to pay attention about this red line. This red line has a price target momently here. If we push it to here, it's about 50,000. That's the resistance. And we have also a supporting, that's the bottom here of our upgoing trend of our parallel channel. It's about 46,300, 400. So as long as we are in this price range, everything is fine, guys. If you are long here in Bitcoin since days, as long as we are in this price range, everything is fine. But if we are going under this 46,300, and if we are see a confirmed breakout of this, we have a big problem. Bitcoin has a big problem, and we maybe see a big dump here back to 40,000, 41,000. What else? To show you a possible support, if we are breaking it down for the daily, it's not so necessary, but why not to show it to you? No, that's the wrong button here. We are making here a support line. You see, this was the highest point here. This was our wave number 3, and that's also our big support. Support is always green, so let's turn this line in a green line, and you can see this is our support line. And the support line is momently here on 41,000. So if we are going down here with this parallel channel, if we are breaking down, this is our next big support, guys. Don't be afraid. There's a lot of space here. I know there must be a lot of things here that we came down back to this, but keeping in mind this is a big support, 41,000. The next support we can see here is this green line here, this upgoing line here, and if we are putting this to this line, you can see 47,800, 900. I would like to say 48,000 is a support here for Bitcoin on the short time frame. We are now on the 4-hour. So the RSI, you can see it here, is going down on the 4-hour chart. Important bearish sign. That's this one. The price is going up. You can see it here. It's going up and up and up, are higher highs. But the RSI index is going down, bearish sign. So we can turn off this RSI. Not so important for this, what I would like to show you. We'll like to check the MACD now. What about the MACD? Let's check. And the MACD is very important, guys. We are with the blue line under the brown line. And look at this. The blue line is always here under the brown line, and now here is the big fight. It's an interesting time to watch here because this is a big fight. Can we zoom in here? Look at this, guys. Look at this. The blue line is under the brown line on the MACD. What does it mean? I have another video out there where I tell it to you, but not for the moment. It's important to know only the blue line is under the brown line, and that's a bearish sign. That's on the 4-hour chart a very, very bearish sign. Take this in your mind. If the blue line will cross the brown line here, perfect, bullish moment, let's go. But for this, it's a bearish sign. It's a fight. One thing I would like to show you is here the let me take a look about this, the hash ribbon band. It's very important for me, the ribbon band. Where are we with the ribbon band? Here it is. A lot of guys are asking me, Biti, where can I see these indicators? It's easy. Go on TradingView, go on indicators and type in what you like to see, like MACD, sorry, candlestick pattern, like buy and sell and something like this, or in this opinion here, the ribbon. Type in ribbon. You have a lot of ribbon indicators here, and choose the one you would like to see, and then you have it. It's very simple. You can make it on your own PC also. Now here you can see we have on the 4-hour chart a little pump here, and this pump, if we are zooming in, and wow, this is what a fight. It's about to cross here. It's about in the next minutes or hours to cross. And if we zoom in more and more, here is the cross, guys. Very interesting to see the blue line is crossing here the brown line, and that's a big bullish sign. If it's going up here, it's a good point to buy this here. That's a very bullish sign here. Attention, the blue line has to stay over the brown line. That's very important for now. Good pump. So the hash ribbon band is here. Everything is fine. Bitcoin was here to fight with the ribbon band, but here Bitcoin wins the fight, and you can see Bitcoin is here over this ribbon band. Everything is nice, everything is perfect. Let's go in the 1-hour chart. Let's take a look about this, and here you can see Bitcoin is fighting with his stick here. Wow, okay, it's very cool to see the ribbon band, and you can see this long stick here and touched the whole ribbon band until the end line here and spiked back here. Very bullish. A good trade also for 48,000 to 49,500 now. A very good trade, and now Bitcoin is going here up and up and up more. So the next targets for the next hour, let's take a look at this. This is our red line. 50,000 is the next target. 50,200, the next target to watch about. And the green line here is the next target. We should take a look about it because it's our support line. Very important. This green line is the support about 47,900, or let's say 48,000. That's the support here, and 50,000, that's the resistance. So we have the range here. It's getting smaller and smaller. Bitcoin is acting here between 48,000 and 50,000. So okay, one thing we can take a look about it is maybe a line from the highest point from here to the highest point from here, but it's not so different to the red one, so it's not so important for us that it's not an extra resistance here. That's for the 15-minute chart. Let's take a quick look to that's the 1-hour chart. Let's take a quick look to the 15-minute chart, and here you see a big candle. You can see here he was the long position to go long here. Then we are here over this hash ribbon band, touched through the ribbon band, and here now we're over the ribbon band. Now we touched extreme here. The next line here, that's the important line here on the 15-minute chart. I can show it to you. Maybe today it's working. Yes, it's working. This is the EMA 200 line. The EMA 200 line on a 15-minute chart. It's not so a big thing on a 15-minute chart, but as you can see here, it touched this line, not directly, but it was shortly about to touch it, and you see here a buy signal, and now it's going up here really nicely. So guys, that's the thing to see here for Bitcoin. That's the Bitcoin chart. That is the thing we can await. You see now a nice pump. 50,000 is here the target on this time frame, and that's the target always to watch. Momently 50,000, 52,000 about that. One thing I would like to check is here a pattern to see is here something that's the rising wedge. Okay, we may see here one thing. Let's check that. Let's turn off every indicators. So is it an inverse? No, it's not an inverse shoulder head shoulder. No guys. Okay, so that's it for Bitcoin momently, guys. Pumping momently, very nice here. Look and watch at this. Look and watch at our rising wedge. The rising wedge is this one, the red line, and the rising wedge is the green line, and we are rising here in this rising wedge. We can draw it here a little bit better from this line to this one. That's the best thing to see the rising wedge. This is our support. We keep it, and that's the importance point here for the rising wedge, about 57,000. That's our support, because this is the rising wedge, the upper line, and this green line is the rising wedge down line, and in this region Bitcoin is momently acting. Be prepared. If you are breaking out here, 41,000 is the next big support, and to the upper side we have a lot of targets. Or in the whole internet we have a lot of targets. I heard 60,000, 61,000, 64,000. I heard 50,000, 52,000, but it's not necessary to talk about this, because we have to break up here from the wedge. If you are breaking out here, confirmed, guys, that's very important. Maybe confirmed on the 1 hour chart, better confirmed on the 4 hour chart. That means the candle has to close over this, not spiking down and coming back again like this, or not spiking down and coming back like this. That's not confirmed. Confirmed is the candle has to close under this, okay? Under this wedge. Okay guys, that's it for Bitcoin. Today a lot of videos will follow. I will check some altcoins, I will check Ethereum, I will check XLM, ADA. Let me take a look about some altcoins. If you would like to see some altcoins in my analysis, please write it in my chart. Write it here in my live stream. I'm streaming, as I said, on Twitch 24 hours a day and on YouTube, and my name is Bitcoin Trading Informant. You can find me on both channels. So guys, that's it for today. Let me wish you a nice day. Let me wish you a nice trade. Let me wish you make millions with your trades, and I hope you are watching my videos. I hope you will give me a thumbs up, or you use my bell, or you use my donation button, or I'm open for, or send me a smile. I'm very lucky to see a positive comment. But if you are thinking that's not good what I'm making, give me a thumbs down, and please write it in the comment. What can I make better for you? What is the problem? Why it's a thumbs down if you are thinking so. Guys, that's it. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Good wishes. Your Biti, your Bitcoin Trading Informant.